Hello and welcome to my YouTube gardening channel, Jo's Gardening World. As you can see, I have already planted some hardy perennials, but what I suggest you do is I do suggest that you label them. Now, you can buy some more professional looking labels from Amazon. I was going to get some, but they were out of stock. But all I've done is just very simply, I've just labelled up, these are Delphinium Elatums. So I'm just going to put a plant pot between there until I do get the professional labels come through, the ones that you can write on and just stick in the ground. They're white labels. I'm just going to weight them down with a couple of stones. So it's Delphinium Elatum. Actually, I only need the one. I know that's Delphinium Elatum. These are the Hollyhocks. So I'm going to weight that down with a stone there. And this is my Digitalis Camelot. So I can weight that down with a little bit of, or a little bit of soil. I'll weight that one down. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant some more hardy perennials. So come with me, and we'll plant some more hardy perennials. So again, now I've got a lovely hardy perennial here called a GM Lady Stretheden. They're a lovely yellowy blooming hardy perennial. So as before, I'm just going to prep the soil. It has been nicely prepared again with the garden tiller beforehand. You can see a garden tiller in action in my previous video. I'll put a link to it actually in the video description. And you're looking to get the soil all nice and crumbly and softer. I do like to get out some of the bigger stones. I don't take them all out because it's good to have some stones in there for storage. I've taken some of those. I'm going to work in my compost. Now, if you've got quite large borders around your garden, I do highly recommend that you invest in at least 2 70 to 80 litre bags of compost, because it is wise to have a lot of compost that you can dig into, enrich your soil, help to break it up and give it a good foundation, on which for your your hardy perennials to to grow and blossom. So I'm going to work it in nicely into the ground, twisting and turning it over, a bit like ploughing it really. Work it nicely into the ground. Breaking it up. As before, rake it over with a rake. Just level your ground. Just even it out nice and level. Using my trusty ball planter that I purchased from Amazon. I will leave the link to it in the video description below. It's a ball planter and you can plant some very nice even holes in the ground. Just twist and turn. You've got a nice hole there. Just turn your lid upside down, little gentle tap. You've got all the lovely roots showing through. Just pop it into there. Gently press that in. And just gently, very, very gently, just let the soil naturally fall in and cover. Do the same with this one. Space it out a little bit, which is the next one. It's nice. That's it. It can be a bit tougher sometimes to get the hole that you need, but just gently there, and then just gently let the soil just to the level of the plug plant. Gently, gently. And that's it. It's my Lady Stretheden. Just label that there. Put a bit of soil in there. I know where I planted them. And that's it. That's 2 more hardy perennial plants planted. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you want more gardening tips and updates. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.